We're gonna do this one for Phil Collins. This is the only song we know, and we're gonna do it for you.
We'll change it to Gary Moore.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and nobody's here. Is somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, he doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear. No. He starts to whistle as he crosses her street. She's embarrassed. Everybody has to sing this one. Come on, say it. It's right. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. It's right. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can walk, but she's trying. It's like it's just another day for you to be paradise. It's like it's just another day for you to something you can say. There must be something you can do. It's just another day. It's just another day. You can tell from the lines on her face. You can see she has been there. Probably been moved out from her place, 'cause she didn't feel it. Things right there. It's just another day for you to be paradise. Things right there. It's just another day for you to be paradise. We're gonna take it to that beautiful lady right there, that beautiful dark princess. She's the DJ, and she's gonna rock some tunes and some songs for you. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your stay in a beautiful, chilled out spot. So, we the band gonna take a short break and we'll be back with some more music. Yes. It's just another day for you and me in paradise.